Hi everyone, welcome to the new math problem. Can you solve this equation in 10 seconds? We will start the solution of this question. K plus 7 whole square equals 25. There are three methods to solve this question. Number third and the last method is very fastest and simplest. We start with method 1. In method 1, on the left side it is a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Our case a is k and b is 7, so we will put this formula on the left side. It will be k square plus 7 square plus 2 into k into 7 is equal to 25. This is k square. 7 square is 49. 2 into 7 is 14. K is equal to 25. Now we will subtract this 25 on both sides of the equation. We get k square plus 49 plus 14k minus 25 is equal to 0. 25 minus 25, 0. So it will be k square plus 14k. 49 minus 25 is 24 is equal to 0. Now we can write this factorization as k square plus 12k plus 2k minus 24 is equal to 0, because 12k plus 2k is 14k and 12k into 2k is for 24k square. Now we will take k common from these two terms, left with k plus 12, and taking 2 common, this is plus 24 because 49 minus 25 is plus 24. 2 taking common, left with k plus 12 is equal to 0. So we have k plus 2, k plus 12 is equal to 0. So either this will be equal to 0 or this will be equal to 0. K plus 2 is equal to 0 or k plus 12 is equal to 0. First we will solve this. Subtracting 2 on both sides, we get the value of k equal minus 2. For this, subtracting 12 on both sides, we get the value of k equal minus 12. So we have two values of k, which is minus 2 and minus 12. Now we move to the method number 2. We have k plus 7 whole square is equal to 25. We can write k plus 7 whole square is equal to 25 is basically 5 square. Now we will subtract this 5 square on both sides. We get k plus 7 whole square minus 5 square is equal to 0. This is basically a square minus b square. What is a square minus b square? This is a minus b times a plus b. So we have k plus 7 minus 5, k plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 0. So this is k plus 2, and this is k plus 12 is equal to 0. Either this will be equal to 0 or this will be equal to 0. K plus 2 equal to 0 and k plus 12 is equal to 0. Subtracting 2 on both sides, we get k equal minus 2, and subtract 12 on both sides, 12 cancelled minus 12, we get k equals minus 12. So we have k equal minus 2 minus 12, which is same as we have in method 1. Now the third, the simplest, the fastest method, which can be done in 2 or 3 steps. We have k plus 7 square is equal to 25. We will take square root on both sides. Square root cancels square. K plus 7 is equal to plus minus 5. So either k plus 7 equals plus 5 or k plus 7 equals minus 5. Subtract 7 on both sides. 5 minus 7. We get k equals minus 2. And for this k equals minus 5. Subtract 7 minus 7. And k equals minus 12. So we get the value of k in the third step is minus 2 minus 12, same as method 2 and method 1. Now we will check whether these values are correct or not. K equals minus 2. We have k plus 7 square equals 25. Putting k minus 2 plus 7 square 25. 7 minus 2 is 5. 5 square is 25 equals 25. It means this value is correct. Now k equals minus 12. We have k plus 7 square 25. Putting minus 12 here plus 7 square 25. 7 minus 12 is minus 5 minus 5 is 25 equals 25, and this value is also correct. So I hope you understand this video. Please like the video, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for the upcoming daily videos. Thank you for watching.